This is Nana Honey YTC. Please don't forget to subscribe her kasi very supportive at laging nagla-like guys si Nana Honey YTC. Yan guys. Shout out si Koy. Napaka very supportive guys. Mega love shout out Abed Pets Vlog. Sisikoy Jinky Arabis Daily Life. Thank you. And Forgotten Heart. Thank you, Forgotten Heart. Sisikoy Timbat K, but is no tea. Thank you, Sikay. And Boy Discarding Vlogs. Thank you, Boy Discarding Vlogs. So ito, patapos na si Sisikoy. Hello Sisikoy. So good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, saan man sulok ng mundo. Mega love shout out everyone. Thank you guys for to those who always supporting me, especially to my silent live, because I need what's our WH guys. So thank you guys. Thank you to all of you. I cannot mention already all your name. And shout out ko sa aking bunso sa Pilipinas, Jarding Guanak, ingat lagi. At sa aking lahat ng mga kapatid, lahat ng relatives. At sa aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog, ingat lagi sis. And again, big thanks to all of you guys. Thank you, Sisikoy Lauren Director, Sisikoy Nana Honey YTC, especially very supportive. Ading Love Travel Music, talpatik sa ading ko. Antonio, shout out Sisikoy Timbatki, but is naughty. Thank you, Sikoy. And Sisikoy Mayetski channel, thank you. Greg and Shara, thank you. And Edgar C. Sky Official, The Drifter PH, thank you. Jinky Arabis, thank you Sisikoy. Jinky Arabis Daily Life, thank you Sisikoy. Thank you to all of you guys, big thanks. Muchas gracias, kasi may mga Espanyol tayo dito na subscribers. So maraming salamat. Sisikoy Lauren Director, Sisikoy, thank you. And sa full support, Sisikoy Job Sinaway, Sisikoy Nana Honey YTC, Ading Love Trouble Music, Ading Talpa Cakes, Antonio, Kat Fitri channel, terima kasih banyak. NM Hashan Pasha, thank you. Sakoneko Meteor Trip, and I forgot I forgot some, but thank you to all of you guys. Big things. Happy blessed Friday, everyone. Today is 26 2025. Before I will end my live, please don't forget to vote Duterte 10 PDP laban sa aking mga ka-OFW, kababayan sa buong mundo. Please don't forget to vote Duterte 10 PDP laban. And of course, may number 12 na inendorso ng ating beloved, respected Vice President Ma'am Inday Sara Duterte, Ma'am Camille Villar, and Ma'am Senator Amy Marcos. And thank you guys. Shout out to all Duterte supporters, and to those very loyal and respected Duterte vloggers. Shout out everyone. Thank you. Rose the Melon Vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe me, Rose the Melon Vlog, all the way from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. May God, Allah, bless us all. Thank you guys.